The sun is out. How fast can I get on the air today? Hey, everybody. Tim here, overlanding for fun and amateur radio operator. So as the intro implied, the sun was out and boy, I just jumped in the truck and headed over to the park to get on the air. So in this video, we're going to do another Parks on the Air activation from Park Kilo 4215, which is the Morgan Monroe State Forest. And if you're still unsure what this Parks on the Air stuff is all about, I will leave a link to their website down below so you can check it out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on the air. CQ, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the Air from Park Kilo 4215. Standing by.
Kilo Charlie 1, Kilo Victor Yankee.
Kilo Charlie 1, Kilo Victor Yankee, I have you 59 into Park Kilo 4215, QSL.
Roger, you're 59 Massachusetts. Mike Alpha, thanks for the activation.
Thank you very much. It's 73.
73.
Kilo Bravo 5, Quebec Foxtrot United.
Kilo Bravo 5, Quebec Foxtrot United, you are 59 into Park Kilo 4215. QSL.
QSL, you're 555 into Fort Worth, Texas. Thank you for the parking activation, 73.
Thank you very much for the 55 from Texas, and you have a great day, 73.
Whiskey Delta 4, Delta Alpha November.
Whiskey Delta 4, Delta Alpha November, you are 59 into Park Kilo 4215.
Hey, thanks, 55 and Golf Alpha. Have a great rest of your day in 73.
QSL on a 55 from Golf Alpha, thank you very much, 73.
Whiskey Bravo 8, Zulu November Lima.
Whiskey Bravo 8, Zulu November Lima, you are 59 into Park Kilo 4215.
All right, you're about a 5x7 here in Central Florida. Thanks so much in 73, sir.
QSL on a 57 into Central Florida, thank you very much, in 73. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the Air from Park Kilo 4215, the Morgan Monroe State Forest in Central Indiana. CQ Parks on the Air, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the Air and standing by.
November 3, Oscar 4, Sierra Foxtrot Bravo.
At a station with Foxtrot Bravo.
Kilo Oscar 4, Sierra Foxtrot Bravo.
Kilo Oscar 4, Sierra Foxtrot Bravo, you are 59 into Park 4215.
Roger, also 59 into Virginia. Thanks for being out there.
Thank you very much, in 73.
November 3, Lima Oscar Uniform.
November 3, Lima Oscar Uniform, you are 59 into 4215.
QSL, the call sign is November 3, Lima Oscar Uniform, and you're 57 Delaware.
QSL on a 57 into Delaware, thank you very much, in 73.
73, thank you.
QRZ, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot.
Kilo Quebec 4, Alpha Delta Juliet.
Kilo Quebec 4, Alpha Delta Juliet, you are 59 plus into the Morgan Monroe State Park, Kilo 4215, QSL.
QSL, you're a 51 into Middle Georgia, Golf Alpha.
QSL on a 51 into Georgia, thank you very much, in 73.
73.
All right, well, that was another successful activation here at Park Kilo 4215. It's the Morgan Monroe State Forest here in Central Indiana. Part of the reason why I go to this park a lot is it's literally 10 minutes from my house. It allows me to operate, get out of the house, play radio, those kind of things. So altogether, I made 34 contacts while sitting here in my truck playing radio from as far west, I think, as Arizona and a lot up in Minnesota and down on the East Coast, southern United States, Georgia, Florida, and a handful of states down in that area. Hopefully, we'll catch you on the air one day. If not, we'll see you on the trail. Tim out.